Hi, in this video I'll show you how to make a fanny pack. Go to our website for the free pattern.
Gather the stuff you need. Some fabric, 2 pieces of 14 by 15 inch will do, one for the outside and one for the lining. If you want to make the belt out of fabric as well, you'll need an extra strip that is 3 inch wide and the length of your waist. Then a 7 inch regular zipper, a buckle that fits your strap width, a belt or a strap the length of your waist, if you buy a pre-made one, and matching threads. Some fusible interfacing, also a piece of 14 by 15 inch. And then gather your basic sewing tools. If you want more details to get started, go to madamsew.com and you'll find a complete written tutorial and the free pattern download on our sewing blog. Place the 3 pattern pieces on the fold on your fabric. Pin them down and then copy them onto the main fabric and onto the lining with a marker and cut them out. To get started, you'll need these 6 pieces. And if you want to strengthen your fabric a bit, you'll have to cut out some interfacing, cut it out a little smaller than the fabric pieces. And then fuse the interfacing on the main fabric pieces and make sure the corners of the zipper recess are well strengthened. Take the 2 number 1 fabric pieces and put them on top of each other, right sides facing, and place your zipper in between. Place the top of the zipper facing the main fabric. The zipper has to be centered in the cutout and the zipper tape has to be aligned to the edge of your fabric. Mark 2 little diagonal lines in the corners here, and you will use these marks for your first row of stitches. Now attach your zipper foot onto your sewing machine and sew the 3 layers together. On the zipper tape, close the zipper teeth. I like to use the adjustable zipper foot from the 32 pieces Ultimate Presser Foot set. Use the marks from the previous step for the start and ending point of this row of stitches. Cut the marks until you reach the stitches. Make 4 little cuts, but don't cut the zipper tape, just the fabric pieces on both sides. Now turn the project to the right side and take the main fabric, press it open a little, and now you have to fold over the little ends over the zipper and make nice corners. So you have to tuck in the seam and press flat. And you have to do this for the facing and the main fabrics, so for all 4 corners. And just press and pin it down on both sides. And again, take both sides with the same pin. So make a little sandwich and make sure it's nice and flat on both sides. Top stitch through all 3 layers on the edge of the fabric with your zipper foot. Place fabric piece number 2
right sides facing on the zipper tape that is not covered yet. And make a new sandwich. Main fabric, zipper tape, and the lining, and then pin the seams together. So this is what it looks like when it's completely pinned. And now you can stitch this seam, and you use your zipper foot, and it's important to stay away like half an inch from the ends. And now top stitch the 3 layers at the edge of your fabric, and again stay away half an inch from the fabric edges. And every time you come across the zipper pull, stop, put your needle down, lift the presser foot, replace the zipper pull, put the presser foot down again, and continue stitching. The hardest part is over. Now you have to attach the strap. Pin the strap end onto the main fabric like this. Don't take the lining with it, and stitch it down. When both straps are attached, you can start pinning fabric piece number 3 onto 1 and 2. Just take the main fabric, so you put the main fabric onto the main fabric right sides facing, and pin all around. The straps are caught inside. And don't forget to open the zipper before you start pinning. If you don't do this, you won't be able to turn the project inside out. Now close the seam all around and just take the main fabric. Now do the same thing for the lining. The only difference is you have to keep a turning hole. I would advise you to put that turning hole in a straight line. So I'm putting it here on top, and make it 2 to 3 inches wide. Sew all around, turn your project to the right side, and close the turning hole with a hand stitch. Attach the buckles to the strap's end, and then your fanny bag is ready.